Welcome and welcome back, everyone. It's Gail here. We're gonna do a little art piece today, very sky-like. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. So while I was using the angel craft, I realized I have to use four pumps, guys, four pumps to get a really good consistency. So I had to do with the gold. I had to use four pumps. And I feel like I'm gonna have to probably use six pumps. And like, I mean, they're affordable, but like, who wants to be using that much pumps? But well, we're trying. We're just experimenting. So let's get back to it. Um, I actually used thumbtacks today on the bottom, so that hopefully it's another experiment just to see if I won't have too much cleanup of the canvas when I'm done. So let's get into it. And I already went 7 parts, so I'm gonna have to go an 8th or a 9th. Oh my god, that's a lot of paint. That's a lot of paint. I'm gonna have to do another 2 pumps to get it to the consistency that I want. It's almost 8. Gosh. My gosh, guys. So white. We're going back with the crazy blue. Blue. There's some bubbles in here, but yellow. Hello? Green. I'm gonna pour on. I need to mark where these lines start and stop. So I can know. And we're using the trusty knife. So okay, let's go. Has a lot of just have a lot of air bubbles in there. Nice and thick. I am back. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are having a fantastic morning, afternoon, or evening whenever you're watching this. So I won't be talking much in this video. I'm just gonna have some music and just go through the pouring. I am obsessed with the gold. It's not a lot of golds really come out this bright in some paints, but this angel craft, the paint is quite pigmented. So I will come back at the end when we have done the Dutch pour and talk again. All right, let's get back to it. I am back again. I love this piece. The only thing I wish was that the gold was a bit brighter, but when you go closer you can see like accents of gold, and that's what I was looking at. Why you see me just zooming into particular parts, like here you could see accents of gold, but I wish it was brighter. But it still has this really nice sky like, even a terrain like look, and I love that about it. And thanks for watching. Bye and bless.